I'm a zombie.
Andito kami sa labas.
Yes.
Papunta sa Mega
Oh
Mall.
my gosh, car.
Para talaga tayo nasa Purge, no? Purge Anarchy.
Bin Laden.
O yung puro close yung mga stores kasi Eid. Mag-feeling tayo nasa Purge na tayo. Ilang hours na lang magko-close. Meron pa tayong 2 hours before mag-start ang Purge.
Hi, why like that? Walking, walking, walking.
Let 'em up, up, up.
Kasi yung ano,
Up, up, let 'em up, up, up. I'm a fire. Happiness.
la 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 la.
Like ba yun?
Kiss, 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 baby, hush, 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 baby, jump the
Oh my God! Ellen, mature kami. Fourth year. Fourth year.
Mature, yes. We're really mature.
Let's go to Mango. You're red.
I'll give this to Lala. The black one.
Kaya kayo talaga.
Ay, pupunta kami Chili's. Lakal pag tayo hindi nag-order.
Saan tayo ngayon?
Chili's. Happy
It's my birthday.
I'm gonna buy you a cake.
Yay, thank you.
Not really buy because we don't have money. Where are we, guys?
Chili.
Where are we, Ellen? Say it. Say it. Say it. Good. Oh my gosh, you're embarrassing. Where are we, Rubishi?
Chili.
Yes. Where are we?
Chili.
Okay, not.
Tatlo pong iced tea. Tatlong iced tea po. Bottomless po yun. Yun na ba?
Kuya, pwede yung pa sulat happy birthday.
Sino may birthday? Happy birthday, joke lang, binibiro lang.
Aalala po kayo.
Yung side po yung kaysa chicken rice black beans, okay lang po yun.
Maybe additional charge ba? Ay, wala. Uy, wala daw. Mash ka na yung always gravy po.
Repeat po yung order kaysa chicken, mashed potato, and sweet french fries, isang fry na 3 na blue ice cream, afternoon cream, 1 mountain cake, 1 toast cake.
Thank you po.
Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday, loser.
October 4 na mag-birthday.
Sorry na lang. I want
Oh my gosh, napakagandang experience to.
mo yun ah.
Rich kids.
Rich kids, Chili's.
Sino may wallet?
Ellen, masaya ka ba? Are you happy? O naiyak?
Mahiya.
Kano nga ulit yung mga...
Jejemon.
Ito sana inanim na yung iced tea.
Happy birthday to
October
me!
4.
October 4 is my new birthday. Bakit ba nagsimula kasi naiyak tayo?
Iwan ko sino ba nag-inom?
Sino ba nagsabi ng chills?
Siya.
Hindi, sometimes. Ayaw nyo kasi sa Philippine Palace tuloy. Napunta tayo sa Chili's.
Ang pera ang pandala pang Philippine Palace lang.
Ako rin yung birthday.
35. 35 pa ang Philippine Palace. Akala ko magsisisig tayo. Napunta sa,
So sad. So sad. Ay, naglalagay na.
Sino?
Ayun daw sila.
Ayun, si Kuya Thomas. Pangalan natin siya. Pamangalan ako siya Thomas. Kasi yun talaga, di ba pangalan siya Thomas? Kasi yun yung naisip ko bigla. Wala lang, Thomas. Tapos yung mataba, si Kuya Jude. Kuya Jude.
Tanungin natin pangalan niya.
Sige.
Pakataso. Baka may malibre pa tayo.
Basta yung paya Thomas. Ay, Kuya Jude. Apo, thank you.
Thank you po. Sam, naiyak ka ba talaga? O natutuwa ka? Para sa akin experience. Kasi patatawanan mo na lang to after.
Siguro pag matanda na tayo,
Andiyan na yung pagkain.
wag may stand.
Food is there.
Wala lang. Ba't ka nagtitipid? Gusto niyo na.
Oh my God. Ito na tayo. Hindi ko naman nakikita.
Happy birthday, Barong. That's my new birthday, October 4. Okay, kanta muna.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday mo.
Happy birthday
After 10 seconds,
Yung last one na parang kanina nangyari.
Guys, alis na kami. Bye! Alam, bye-bye.
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 way down.
We're done.
Busog kami as in sobra. Ayoko na.
We ate chips.
Oh yes, we are.
Charot.